Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Clickbank without even having a website or any tools. This is actually a really awesome beginner method to make money online with Clickbank. And if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, I have a ton of people always asking me, I want to start my business. I want to start making money online, but I have no way to invest in any tools and any websites. So this is going to be a perfect method for you. And real quick, I want to show you one of my students, RJ, has been using this exact method, and you can see here that he got his first commission with affiliate marketing. You can see here he gave me a shout out here and then another one a little bit later. So guys, he's actually taking action on this and he's making money. Now guys, by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to make your first $100 commission on Clickbank without even having a website. I'm gonna show you how you can start making money online with no prior experience at all, and how you can make money on Clickbank without any tools, any website, or any funnels. And at the end of it, of course, I'm gonna show you how to get traffic, how to get customers 100% free to your Clickbank offers. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how you can drive traffic using YouTube and TikTok, and of course affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was an electrical engineer. I went to school, I got my degree, I got a job that I absolutely hated. I was looking for something to get out of that job, and that's how I found affiliate marketing. I was able to quit my job within 9 months of starting my affiliate marketing business. So that's the main goal of this channel, is to help you guys achieve that financial freedom. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video, comment. Let's get into it. I'm really excited, guys. I even got a coffee, so I'm hyped up. You guys should be hyped up about this one. Let's do it. All right, so step number one, okay, is we have to find a killer Clickbank offer. Now, some of you guys may or may not be new. If you're watching this video, you probably already know what Clickbank is. But if you're new, I'm gonna kind of explain it real quick, all right? So Clickbank is a marketplace where people go and find products to promote, all right? That's what affiliate marketing is you find a product that you believe in and that you know can help people, and you send people to that product. Now, when people go to your specific link and they buy the product, you get paid. So why is this amazing? Because you're building your business off somebody else's hard work, right? They've already taken the time to build the product. All you got to do is promote it. So I'm going to show you how to properly do that using Clickbank. Now, the reason why I like Clickbank is because you don't need a website to get started. You don't need anything. You can literally just start promoting products on Clickbank, all right? So make sure you have a Clickbank account. So go to sign up here and make sure you have an account. Enter your information, your bank account, if you want the check sent directly to your bank, or your address if you want them to send you a check. It just depends on how you do it. So once you sign up, you're actually going to go to the Clickbank marketplace, which I'll see you in the next screen. Alrighty guys, so now that you have a Clickbank account, make sure you go up right here where it says marketplace, and basically this is where you can find the products you want to promote. Now, you can find any products you want, right? There's arts, entertainment, there's bedding, business products, cooking. All these products are Clickbank are mostly digital products, so like courses, PDFs, books, which is awesome, right? You can scale up with information products, all right? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a product that we can sell. Now, I've done a lot of different examples of products, but we're gonna do a specific example here. Let's look for a cat training product, okay? I've actually never done this, so let's just see what we can find here. Now, what I like to do is look for something with a decently high gravity, but let's do something different, okay? I've never done a cat product, so let's go ahead and look at this and see what we can find here. So, help millions will lower the stress, cat spray no more. Let's just start with the top product, guys. Let's see what we have here. So, brand new cat languages. So, brand new product. Okay, so basically we can promote this product, okay? So if you're in the cat niche, if you want to promote something to do with cats, this would be the product for you, right? So what you can do is you can click on this and it's going to take you to the actual product. It's going to show you what it offers, right? So you can now learn how to communicate directly with cats, blah, blah, blah. Well, okay, so it's a training on cats, all right? So basically, if we go to the bottom here, let's see how much this is. So $27 for the product. Not too expensive, which is perfect, okay? So you would make an average of $15 for this product. Now, how do we actually make money, right? So if you hit promote, you're gonna grab this link here. It's called a hop link or your affiliate link, okay? So generate hop link, and this specific link here is gonna be your link that you would promote, okay? Now we're gonna come back to this, but we're gonna jump over to the next step, which is step number 2, is we're gonna set up a TikTok account. Now, I've talked about this before on my channel, but I'm gonna show you a new method to create TikTok content and how you can start generating a ton of traffic, okay? So guys, why TikTok? Again, this is one of my favorite ways to drive traffic, especially if you're trying to grow, as an affiliate marketer in 2021, because TikTok is going viral. Let me just show you something real quick. All right, TikTok, guys. TikTok users spend nearly 500 minutes per month on the app. That's literally insane, okay? More than Instagram. Like, that's like triple the amount of time that people spend on Instagram. So this is an amazing stat, because I remember people used to spend tons and tons of time on Instagram, but now that is switched and now people are on TikTok, okay? Now, another thing is your videos are potentially going viral on TikTok because it's a new platform and they're really trying to grow. So I was able to grow my TikTok to over 100,000 followers, and I didn't really post too much. Like I just started posting like last year, and I just started growing like crazy. And some of my videos have gone viral, as you can see here, thousands and thousands of views, right? And I don't get this type of views on YouTube. I have to work extremely hard to get my YouTube videos a ton of views, right? With TikTok, you're just making 15-second videos, and that's it. Like, it's really, really simple, okay? So how do we actually do this? But I'm also gonna show you how to create videos without even getting on camera, okay? You're actually gonna really like this method, and you can do this on pretty much any Clickbank product, all right? So if you go to login here, if you go to TikTok.com, you can actually log in, create an account. You can use your phone, your Google, but if you go to don't have an account, just hit sign up here. And you can sign up with any of these methods here. Continue with Google. Let me just create an account real quick just to show you how to kind of set it up. So I'm just going to use one of my emails here, and it should sign me up. There we go. And now I have a Clickbank account, okay? Or I'm sorry, a TikTok account. So I'm gonna hit sign up here, login success, that's it. So I have an account, I'm good to go. So how do I start creating content? Let's go ahead and do that. So here's my profile here. Obviously I just created it. Now this is obviously, it's taking my Google account. So what I would wanna do is change this to, like, if you're doing cats, best cat tips, right? If you're selling a cat, I don't know if I can actually change this on here. Yeah, you can't change the name on here, but you would go to the actual app on your phone and you could actually change this out. But how do we actually upload videos that we don't even want to make ourselves, right? So next is we're going to actually create viral videos based on the offer, right? And I'm going to show you how to do this without even showing your face, okay? So if we're selling this cat offer, basically we can look for videos that we can repost on apps or on TikTok, which I'll show you how to do, but I'm also going to show you how to remake these videos, okay? Now, real quick, guys, hashtag cats on TikTok has over almost 19 billion views, which is just insane, right? And if you look at the top videos, I mean, they're basically cute videos of cats. Yeah, see, they're just cute videos of cats, and that's it, right? Like, we're trying to get viral views on here. So 11.3 million likes, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, literally a simple video, and I'm gonna show you how to do this, okay? Here's another one here, just a super simple video of a cat. Now, if I go to this Jack the Cat, 1.1 million followers. He doesn't even have a bio. He doesn't have nothing. He doesn't have a link. Okay, if you're Jack the Cat and you're watching this, shoot me a message. I can make you 6 or even 7 figures with your following. You are not using your following correctly, Jack the Cat. Just wanted to throw that out there if you're ever watching this video. But I'm going to show you how to do this, guys, okay? So we're going to go to a website called pexels.com, all right? Now, inside of here, we can actually use these photos and videos inside these TikTok profiles, okay? So if I put cute cat, okay, you can actually download these videos. Now, if you switch this over here to videos, basically what we can do is download these cute cat videos, all right? So there's one here. Check this one out here, guys. So let's see. 1.1 million views. Okay, that one's okay. It's not doing much here. Let's look for another one. Here's one possibly. So we can kind of just scroll through and see what we can find. Oh man, that's funny. Okay, let's look for another one here. I'm looking for one where they kind of jump around. Let's see what we can find here. Boom, let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna download this, guys. We're gonna free download this. Okay, so download. Okay, it's downloading here on the left. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my TikTok that I just created and we're gonna download this here. Okay, so that's not it here. We're gonna actually upload video and we're gonna go ahead. I thought I was logged in. Okay, yes, okay, here we go. So upload video and then we're gonna go ahead and start uploading. Okay, so we're gonna hit this here and we're gonna download this video. Now what I would recommend, guys, is editing the video, add a call to action. So at the end of it, say something like, if you want complete cat training, click the link in the bio. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically set up this profile to say, you know, ultimate cat tips or something like that, right? And then just say, we have the best cat tips on TikTok. And then, you know, basically have a call to action saying, check out our training on how to train your cats, right? Something like that. Is that just be congruent with your offer, right? So it's something like this. So click on this, obviously, and see what the actual offer is, right? So communicate with your cat, free training or something like that, right? Or training on that. So just make sure that's in your TikTok bio. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and do this on here just so I can show you how to upload it. So do you think these cats are cute? Now what I want to do here is just add hashtags, right? So hashtag cats, cats of TikTok. Here we go. So hashtag cats. And these tags are going to help you find the people that are going to like your products and your profile. So cat lovers, catnip. Let's see, cats of TikTok. Here we go. Cats book. Okay, so basically, boom. Okay, I'm gonna do this as public. We're gonna allow users to do all this stuff. It just basically helps you with engagement, and we're gonna post. That's it. We're basically gonna post this video. Again, I would. You can go ahead and edit these videos using any software you want. One I actually recommend, and you can use this on your phone, is it called InShot. Really cool app. That you can download, guys. Basically, you can go and add text to it. You can add anything you want. I would go and basically edit this video so you can make it your own, right? Put your own branding on it, whatever you want to do, right? So that's one tip I'll give you right there. So that's it. Your video is uploaded. There we go. There's my video right here. It's free to use. And guys, all you got to do is add this bio right here with your link. Okay. So I can go over here. It doesn't look like I can upload it or I can edit it right now, but basically make sure you download the app on your phone and then you can go and edit this. You know, obviously I would probably switch this to a cat here. So, you know, you can go to Pexels again and put cute cat. And then what we can do is instead of a video, just go to photos, right? So your face is literally not on this and you're just driving people to this Clickbank offer, right? So what you'd want to do here is basically promote this and add this link inside your offer, right? Or inside your TikTok account. So if I go over here, I would want to add this link in here. You might want to shorten it. So if you go to bit.ly.com, okay, you can actually shorten the link so it's not as ugly. So you can go shorten your link here, shorten, and it'll look a little prettier. Okay, so that's a kind of an easy way. You don't need a website, you don't need tools, anything like that. You're literally just using viral traffic and sending it over. I'm curious if I've had any views. Probably not yet. It takes a few minutes. But yeah, no views yet. I'm curious to see though how much views I get with this. No bio setup, nothing. I might actually just keep this account and just kind of keep building it and promote cat products, right? Obviously that's not my niche, but anyways, I might use this as a case study, guys. I might follow up on this video and see how it does. But guys, either way, TikTok is blowing up. This is one of my TikTok accounts here. And guys, it's a great way to drive traffic, okay? Now, if you guys are interested in building a six-figure business with affiliate marketing, building the long-term business, right? Not only do we want to build some short-term gains, which I just talked about in this video, but you want to build the long-term business, right? Let's just say TikTok were to die or YouTube were to die and you're stuck, right? You're not making any money. I want to be able to show you how to build your long-term business, okay? So for me, if all my social medias were to die, would I still have a business? And for me, it's yes, because I've built that long-term business. So if you want me to teach you how to properly set up a long-term business in affiliate marketing and how I went from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months and quit my job in 9 months, guys, I want to invite you to my Done With You affiliate marketing program, affiliate marketing mentoring program, where I literally walk you through step by step. Click here, do this, walk you through, take you by the hand, and show you exactly how to build a 6-figure business with affiliate marketing. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's going to be the first link in the YouTube description on how we can help you do that. Now, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you found any value, and I hope that you're able to take action on the things I'm teaching, because they do work, guys, if you do take the action. As you can see here, RJ made his first commission. Now, guys, go follow RJ here. He's one of my students that's just crushing it. He's doing the work. He just started not too long ago. He's already built his TikTok to over 3,000 followers. Go follow RJ. I want to help my students, guys, because they've invested in me, and I want to help them grow their accounts, grow their channel. So go follow RJ and leave him a message. Leave him a message that you followed him after you watched this video, and I would appreciate that, guys, because I want to help my students grow. So anyways, guys, God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.